wakwaba midi ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me a notification bell no so for more news ebusuafo abranti a okase efri Volta region na ode ensem bi atodwa ne nsem a okay na ne se NDC fo am adam office we agimi ana onjimi enya de obeye adwumehu ede ama NDC amayoku no abranti ni nchiremu ne se ni nchiremu ina ne se abra NPP amayoku na his excellency na don kokufado e ka so omode free SHS eba no NDC fo so UTI enti Sunday NPP for by his excellency na ne so adu hu atum the free SHS aba na so na akobi a ono fa meye propaganda ema mo na free SHS na wode ba na mo senye enti sanka wa ko school anko betina obeti den read aba betina TV so abaye propaganda nti on the sense mu no ntumi de ema NDC for because ade papa bia mo bogo nti on de osremo a yenti nsema avanti e de tuga
na ade a yenua votarian ba ko kan say nanado enform bo ne nche omo ne boni bia omo adi na me see you na edi enti ene bema obi akasa saa osi NDC ni akoda na yakofa na abase ene de wako school na dwenimu do enti obetumi ne nkrofo atena platform so e debate no oye free education 419 free education 419 free education 419 ni ene de wono na represent NDC fo e wo platform so omo nkoka samomo seriously anya koda papa mpanifo papa fo mpanifo a mosi school fees ikuom political party nti free education 419 free education 419 and not the free education 419 product or no and na sami jemfia fa ne say one metna na one yeden na ombe defend the MP sebi NDC Obi say Ghanaians like more party than development. It is true. It is true. But meba because encrophobia a started Jimmy Moma menti win free huntem na sebe men started Doreen Thompson don't go nowhere. I'm coming to prove you that Mahama didn't secure no fund for phase 2 of what we are seeing. The Temale airport ya ye hunenda ye trying to fe ba no Mahama nse nim ni loan ni nim munja Jimmy no me de hu evidence be kire ka kire mse mimi nko Google o da Google chain me ba minu anu mo amoshe me ne ende me ba ya eya futuo na me de bre enkrofo bi na software no ma hwe ni video bi minim sese me kogbo a Kennedy Japan fo ebubefu me intime nkogbo na Kennedy Japan fo aka se me de omo boss abetena ha di na tem ana e ka no ho bone membo but software ya odidi ba omi atem yi osi ono no Kennedy ne the candidate na obevoto ama Kennedy ama na be di president software tunele tuna Sofo Starkis tuna Sofo Mr. Ghana Jimmy ashewa adwinimu ache first na me dwene say Sofo de enam Bible entete ya mu wonti no mu wonyansa nanso se wutumi nya obi de se kum chacha kas wo cheda na asamwa wo bebubu no ye ma na wana wape no fam bubu oba na it shows you the kind of era we are inside okay Sofo metro the America chire on say one someone me be reply ni na me reply ni na but what can send be wo mu a eno de ebebem obi amfa mark yo ene da ben ene ye 1st August sa sofo na o se ba umia ebe di president over or no dead body no da ye de ba umia be si ade so no on ka ate asefo hu bio ebe du no nka ye hu bio obi amake ono na ebe on hu bia mesrem obi a mark sa de we ende mo mark me ne date video we obi an save software me be boda ade da ye de ba omi abesi akonwa soma na so as president no on tiase bio because ono ankasa adome no ho because ba omi ade hey mumpo he is going to be the next president of Ghana, and no amount of malignment, no amount of sa and trono and a bawolaya and a wine would work. And like I told you, I thought NDC would change their strategy. I thought they would change their strategy. I swear to God. I thought they would change because they say no. Baby, I can be a yetumi kodi service yetumi kohwe. Into okoka assembly ni wa boko kohwe be hu se dia kan na yetro. Now, mama no an instance. Bawumia is an epitome of Nanado. When you talk against them, it comes back to you. Utie. Bawumia no. Se mo dwene se wonam ho kwa. O ka se tiana, it come against wa, especially se dia wo kan yetro. Na se efri bonimu ana komatan time na eba eteba wa also. Okay? Now, ya papa bi ye bi pa Alhaji Baturi. Also on Akufo-Addo be president agi se wewu ampa owu yansa na Akufo-Addo ye president. Utie. Oka say ansa na Akufo-Addo be on over his dead body. Alhaji Baturi na wewu onka ye ho bio. Utie da unia me sa so no me woni keys bebre but and then nsem o kan ye no and am a person me be reply no cause se okaba umia waka me the way I ka Kenya na akamo no na kenfo no mon kan kire mo asofo ne say baby e du no ho enye jimi o mutie kenfo no oh madam oh yeah oh Mr. Madam, Mr. Me na me yamu shishimi o. Na like the economic journey say he will say he will not do it. Na me James Obeka say no. Na me James Obeka say no. Na me James Obeka say no. Hey. Hey. Wow. I thought he would deny this thing, but the man said he talked something about me. Ah. That is his best, the biggest intervention Anado brought to Ghana is Bawumia Menkano Wahada. Me see the biggest gift he left for us here, Bawumia. Me na me come chira ne because free education or the abano. Say ye no be or bet to aswa ebegu. Share. Aja. Oh, me so ye bibia. Oh yes. Allah. That's it. Allah pa no. And 10. Funny form. Wo yo Allah. Oh, kono bimbra ajia kono bimbra. Na me de me na de me say all obi anya botre no obi abenya chance akasa ene obi abekasa bi mo obi anya yi obi abekasa bi ne mamu nsuro kura ne